have an unboxing and a try-on from Stylevana. And if you've never heard of Stylevana, is a website where it's all K-beauty. So you have skincare, makeup, fashion, so whatever you're into, they have it available there. Some of the brands are like really well known. Sato, Laneige, Misha, Innisfree, like some of the brands I've tried, it seems really affordable. So let's go ahead and see what they sent over. I believe they're also giving us a discount code. I'll leave it here, and I believe you can get 10 to 15% off your entire order. So this video is not sponsored, but they did send me over these goodies. This is gonna be a first impressions. I wanted to open it here with you, so let's see what is in this box. I'm excited. So this is what we got from Stylevana. I don't know if we're gonna have a full face of makeup or this. So before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Let me know down in the comments if you like K-beauty, if you've ever tried like Korean makeup or skincare or fashion. So we have one skincare product, and is by a very popular brand, Laneige. The Skin Veil Base SPF 25. I really like that. This is a 0.3 ounce. This is made in Korea. It comes with a little pump. This is like a small size. I'm gonna put some in the back of my hand. We can start with this. This is a makeup base. And let's see. I want to smell it. Okay. And this is in pure violet, by the way. I love that it has SPF. That's what I'm saying. A lot of their like skincare has SPF, and I'm big on that. I'm trying to get this product out. Oh. Okay. No scent whatsoever. Nice light purple. So I'm just gonna put this all over, see how it feels on my skin. Do you see like a white cast or something? Oh my god, I was looking on their site and they have like, I think it's a blush and it looks like pocket watch. Oh my god, I just love like cute packaging like that. And then I believe they have like this bronzer that looks like a chocolate bar or something. It just looks really cute. It feels good. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels nice and moisturizing. One Night Cushion 2. This is by the brand Nakeup in One Ivory Nude. Provides perfect natural cover and skin calming effect with all safety ingredients. Non-comedogenic tested, suitable for acne prone skin. Well, I'm acne prone. The pink, it's so pretty. If I can take it out, I'm destroying this thing. Heart. This is what I'm saying. Like they come out with like the cutest packaging. Never used a cushion before. Get a mirror and a little like puff heart shape. It says Nakeup. We'll see how that works. Open this up. Okay, so look at that. It comes nicely sealed. Let me just open it here. Maybe we can make this color work. Let's see, but that is the swatch. I know like in Korean makeup, you're not like full coverage, have more like a natural look. So this color seems to work. I'm so happy about that. Oh, it has a fragrance. I've smelled something like this before. Definitely not full coverage, but I really like how it's setting. Not super matte. The skin actually looks very fresh. Look at that. Look at the difference. Like if you like a nice glow, wow. Smells like some kind of floral to me. I'm looking super washed out. I usually don't go for like a dewy look, but if you're into, I mean, just look at that freshness. Of course, you can always just put some powder and set it down. You don't have to leave it like this. A lot of you guys tell me how much you love a dewy look, so I do think I am gonna set it. I'm just gonna put any powder that I have here available. I just feel more comfortable. Just gonna use this IT Cosmetics and just powder it down. This is by Chica and Chico, and this is the One Shot Eye Palette. Just gonna do some light swatches. Here you go. As you see, again, very light. Start with this shade right here. It's just a matte. I'm gonna apply it all over the lid. Now I'm going with this shade right here and just putting it like in the crease. I'm gonna go with this shade right here and just put it like all over the lid. Oh, look how pretty that is. Just gonna place this color as well, just like here on the outer corner a little bit. Look at this beautiful shade here. I want to put this in the inner corner. Ooh, wow. I'm telling you, like, you see for yourself, these things are super pigmented. I'm not wetting it, spraying it with anything. We have a liner here, and this is by the brand MQNY. This is the Slim Shot waterproof gel liner. You twist it instead of like sharpening it, and this is super tiny, so I'm sure you could be very precise with this. Product is super creamy. Have to be careful because it's so thin that it can break, so like no matter what, it just keeps breaking on me, so probably putting a lot of pressure. Plus it doesn't help that it's so thin. This is by the brand Frutia. Have you heard of it? I know it's really a popular brand. It says derived from fruit. Honey Sleep Lip Mask, and this is in mango. You know how much I love like lip balms, lip masks. Oh my god, I can't wait to smell this. Nice size. 0.35 ounces. Come on. There it is. So let's go ahead and apply it. If you've never tried a lip mask, they are like the best ever. It doesn't leave your lips like shiny. They're not like sticky. It doesn't feel super thin. Like it's a little bit thick, and that's why you feel it like really moisturizing your lips. Yeah, it smells so good, but it's nothing like overpowering, like oh my god that smells so strong. No, it does smell like a beautiful sweet mango. Right now we have this here from the brand McQueen. I think that's another brand that's really popular in K-beauty. Serum Tint, and this is in brick brown. This is a 0.33 ounce glass. This is so cute. It says it's a tint, so I wonder how pigmented it is. Oh, look at that. Perfect for fall coming. Just remove this mask here. And I'm just patting it because I don't want anything too intense. It feels cooling. Also have some other lipstick here called I'm TikTok lipstick. I'm meme. So it looks like a marker. Satin. Swatch it. It's a little heart. This, do you twist it? Oh, okay. You don't twist it, you push it up. Oh. Now this is more my style than this. I don't really do like lip tints or lip oils or anything like that. This looks more like something I would want. Let me try to wipe this. It's like staining my lips. That is so creamy. The formula is so good. I love the packaging. The color is not something I would go for as much. Just want to put some mascara. I feel like I look pretty washed out. I feel much better now with a bit of mascara, but I do feel like I need something on the cheeks. So what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to use again this Serum Tint. It says for the lips, but I'm gonna just try to dot a little bit. I don't know if it's a good idea or not. And just like kind of spread it like this to give me some color. Lipstick called I Am TikTok lipstick is beautiful. I love the packaging. Is a heart. See, the shades are not exactly what I would go for, but if you want to talk about the formula, it's beautiful. It's so pigmented, doesn't feel dry. This one from Frutia, this lip mask, amazing. Sleep mask, like I would get this in every scent you can think of. It just feels so good on the lips. I'm just a lip balm person, a lip mask person, you know that, so this is fabulous. I would love to try more things by this brand. So now this, I've never tried a cushion foundation, and this, if you don't even have to like a dewy finish, you just have to like something more natural. Yes, you can leave it like when I just applied it without powder, and it looked beautiful. Like that glow was just amazing, so healthy and youthful. If you want to set it with like a little bit of powder, it looks great too. You don't look cakey, but again, you have to like that natural finish, and the packaging is cute. This is just adorable, and this little puff worked really good as well. You don't have to use it, but it comes with it. I used it. It works well. This one wasn't like my number one because it wasn't like the easiest to use. It kept breaking on me. Maybe like for the waterline, it would be really good. For this palette, the colors are definitely way too light for my liking. I like, you know, I love my smoky, more darker colors. I just feel like I get too washed out. But if you want to talk about the formula, it's really well. Again, this is by the brand Chica and Chico. For traveling, if you love that super natural look, you're gonna love this. I'm sure they probably have more selections, but especially this color here, oh my god, I died for it. I have nothing bad to say about the formula. It's not something I would regularly use. If you love lip tints, you saw how it worked on me. To check them out in the description. You can just browse the site. You never know what you find there. Feel free to use the discount code. Again, it's 10 to 15% off your entire order. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!